Hello everyone, welcome to shiksha.com. GMAC has released the Nmat registration form on August 3. Candidates can register for Nmat until November 10 and schedule the exam until November 17. The Nmat exam can be scheduled on a date from October 14 to December 27. This video brings you the stepwise procedure to complete Nmat registration. Firstly, you need to visit the official registration website of exam, that is register.nmat.org. You will find two different tabs to register and to log in. First time visitors need to register by entering some basic details. After submitting these details, an email is sent by GMAC for verification purposes. Follow the link in the email to access the Nmat login dashboard. Nmat registration is divided into 6 steps, that is filling personal information, contact information, education and work experience related details, college preferences, and some additional information followed by a fee payment. Personal information includes name, nationality, category, age, parents' details, etc. Click on the next button to proceed filling the contact information. The contact information shall include entering the alternate email ID, alternate mobile number, and communication address. Hitting the next button shall take you to the third section, that is filling education and work experience related details. Education details include name of the last institute you have attended along with the percentage in the bachelor's level. Click on the next button and enter the college preferences. You must note you can only add up to 5 college preferences, post which an additional fee will be applicable. Upcoming window in the Nmat registration form is related to the exam reference and other MBA entrance exams you will be taking or have taken before filling the application form. After filling these details, click on the next button followed by clicking the I agree checkbox to accept all the terms and conditions. Coming to the last step, that is fee payment, candidates can pay the Nmat registration fee using debit card, credit card, or internet banking. You can also buy some official preparation material for Nmat in this particular step. Nmat registration is now completed once you have paid the application fee. This is all about Nmat registration process. Comment below in case you face any difficulty while filling the Nmat registration form.